Let us determine the region of solutions into variables if the given is both quadratic or quadratic and linear. Our key reminders: if the boundary lines or curve is solid line or solid curve that is less than or equal or greater than or equal. Dash line or dash curve if the given is less than or greater than inequalities. How about if that is shading the linear or shading the quadratic? If that is above the line or curve that is y greater than or y greater than or equal. If that is below the line or below the curve, y less than or equal or y less than. What is quadratic inequality? It is an inequality that contains a quadratic expression, an expression with a variable raised to the second power. We have the given that is y greater than or equal to x squared and y less than negative x squared plus 2. So the given y greater than or equal to x squared, if we replace the value of x by 0, so y equals to 0. So it means this one touches the origin. So the graph opens upward that touches the origin. So ganyan yung magiging graph. So solid line because y greater than or equal. So solid line. Second equation, y less than negative x squared plus 2. If we replace the value of x by 0, the value for y is equal to 2. So 2. So 0, positive 2. So less than, so dash curve. So ito yung dash curve na y equals x negative x squared plus 2. Y greater than or equal to x squared. So y greater than, so above the curve. So ito yung above the curve. Y less than negative x squared plus 2, so below the curve. So nag-touch yung unang graph na solid line or solid curve to the second one. Nag-touch silang dalawa sa gitna. Ito yung gitna nila. So this one could be the shaded part. So it means the solution, the region lies between the two parabolas. Let us find the solution region. Y greater than x squared, y less than or equal to x squared plus 4. So this one touches the origin, so that is 0, 0. So solid line that is opens upward. So solid line opens upward. So this is 0, 0 that touches the origin. So upward, yung shaded part natin, solid line, and then upward. How about this one? If we replace the value of x by 0, so 0, the value for y is 4. So 0, 4. So solid line siya. So kung solid line siya, sabi dyan less than. So this is above the curve, below the curve. So below the curve. So nag-touch yung dalawa na yan between the two parabolas. So the solution, the region lies between the two parabolas. How about y less than or equal to x squared if y greater than or equal to negative x squared? So this one, y less than or equal to x squared. So the graph x squared, same, the origin, that is 0, 0. So this one touches the graph as 0, 0. So ito yung shaded part natin. Sabi dyan, y less than or equal. So yung shaded parts, if this is y equals x squared, ang shaded part is below the curve. Y greater than or equal to negative x squared. So this one is 0, 0 then touches the origin, but the graph opens downward. So the curved line is solid curve. So yung solid curve, sabi, the shaded part, so this is greater than, so above the curve. So yung una equation, y equals x squared, that is below the curve, while y greater than or equal to negative x squared above the curve. So it means ito yung part na may shaded part. So the solution, the region is trapped between the two parabolas. So this is the first parabola, second parabola. So the region is trapped between the two parabolas. How about find the solution region y greater than or equal to x squared minus 1 and y less than negative x plus 3. So if we replace the value of x by 0, so 0, and then the value for y is negative 1. So solid line, and then the graph opens upward. So 0, negative 1. So this is 0, negative 1. The graph opens upward. So this is greater than. So it means the shaded part is this one. So above the curve. Another equation, y less than negative x plus 3. If we replace the value of x by 0, so the value for y is equal to 3. So 0 and then positive 3. 0, positive 3. And then if we replace the value of y by 0, so x is equal to 3. So 0, 3, 3, 0. So the graph slanting to the left because the value for a that is negative. So y less than negative x plus 3 is below the curve. So ito yung below the curve while the quadratic inequalities that is above the curve. Nag-meet sila between the parabola and the linear inequality. So the solution region lies above the parabola and below the line. How about y greater than or equal to x plus 1 and y less than or equal to x squared plus 2? If we replace the value of x by 0, so y equals 1. So kung igagraph natin yan, so that is 0 and then positive 1. So 0, positive 1. So this is 0, 1. Second one, if we replace the value of y by 0, x equals to negative 1. So negative 1, 0. So the value for a or the slope is positive, so that is slanting to the right. So this is negative 1, 0, 0, 1. So the line is slanting to the right and then solid line. The quadratic inequality is y less than or equal to x squared plus 2. If we replace the value of x by 0, so y is equal to 2. So 0, positive 2. So the value for a is positive, so the graph opens downward. Less than or equal, so it means the graph that is parabola. Solid line, parabola that is opens upward. Y less than or equal to x squared plus 2, it means in the given parabola that is below the curve. So ito yung below the curve. Itong part na to, that is below the curve. While greater than or equal to x plus 1, so this is y equals x plus 1. So the given is greater than, so above the line. So yung above the line and then below y equals x squared plus 2, nag-meet dito. So it means ito yung may shaded part. So the solution lies above the line. This is above the line and then below the parabola. How about y less than or equal to negative x plus 4 and y greater than or equal to x squared minus 1? If we replace the value of x by 0, y is equal to 4. So 0 and then positive 4. So kung tititigan natin yung figure, so this is 0 and then positive 4. If we replace the value of y by 0, so it means x is equal to 4. So it means this is 0, 4 and 4, 0. So the graph is slanting to the left. So kung i-connect natin yung 0, 4 and then 4, 0, that is slanting to the left. Y less than or equal, so it means the graph is below the line. So ito yung part that is below the line. So kung titignan naman natin yung pangalawang equation, y greater than or equal to x squared minus 1. So if we replace the value of x by 0, y is negative 1. So this one, negative 1. Or the factor of x squared minus 1, that is x plus 1, x minus 1. So it means the two values of x, that is negative 1 and then positive 1. So kung negative 1 and then positive 1, and then if we replace x by 0, so y equals negative 1. So 0, negative 1, and then connect the 3 points. So the graph opens upward and then greater than or equal. So this is solid line and then the graph opens upward. So greater than, it means the shaded part is above the curve while the line is below the line. So the shaded part is below the line. So the solution that is below the line and above the parabola. Instruction: graph the following. Provide your answers in the comment section.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.